Hello, cordial greetings. My name is Christian Galindez. For this occasion, I am going to tell about the proposed articles that the lawyers for regulation or activities. Okay, in this case, I think that the university should be more accessible for some students. We are people, we are person, we can take accidents or different circumstances in where we can't realize our activities. For this step is some more accessible, I think. For another part, I think this thing that this pay or this reglement, this lawyer say it's really because we will be a professionals. For this reason, we should be or we should have to behavior on this personality. We aren't child now, we are professional, we are teachers. For this reason, I think that we should change these attitudes. We should be more responsibility with the students, be polite in the environment, polite the roles, all this for environment it's professional. For this method, these articles are true because we must be more polite, more responsible, more better in try to improve in each one of these methods for teaching, pedagogical, polite with the students, and polite in the institution or virtual environment, responsibility in our activities, all is at the moment that we have it. Thank you so much.